DJ Chris.
No.
Now you give Percy Belle. Give the boy phone her.
If they call, you all they know they call for work. I don't tell them me go inside a car. Hey, no.
You want to talk like a wife?
Why you talk like me now? Why you talk why you talk like me now? Amen. Again.
Welcome. I greet everybody now. Good evening.
Good evening, my brother. You know you get go.
I greet everybody.
Thank you again. So, my brother.
I hear you.
Wait, Pawari. So today, one woman reached out to me. So when the woman reached out to me, he can't tell me, say, Epa, I beg you, see what they happen now. Make I come to her rescue. I can't say what be that one. She said, I'm asking City now she day. I can say, okay. He said, what did DJ Cruz they talk? DJ Chris they talk before.
Hey, DJ Chrissy.
What did DJ Chris they talk before?
Wait, no, investor no gay. If you want to party a gay, I don't want to say DJ Cruz then. I mean one complete.
Okay, don't worry. Don't verse for me. So he said DJ Chris they talk, they follow him, and the Pikin not be true. He said get one boy they call Maka. He said not be Maka, not be give Pikin Belle. He said now you, now give Pikin Belle. But now DJ Chris now call the talk say. Maka they sleep with her. Maka they sleep with the Pikin. Say so. I want to go bring juju paper for you. Like I say for DJ Chris. Like I say no. It never reach like that. That's it. Me first start from waiting happen between that guy will give your Pikin Belle. Me start from there. He got the explain say man, you now they are taxi driver for asking. Sometimes you see they use taxi they also. Maybe people they long distance. If you go carry the car, they'll pay you money.
Be like.
They say that a Pikin come out one evening, go follow a mate enjoy. Say so. Normally, person supposed to bring the girl come back to her house. The car break down. So they call as the girl say, you get person. The girl come say, you. Now you. Now be still the person when you know what they do. Tazi. I bet DJ Chris, if you clear your phone be like
Thank you, Black Queen.
clear your phone, DJ Chris.
I be one who talk and say thank you, Black Queen.
Because the thing not your clear at all. Your maybe.
That clear.
Don't clear now. He said so. He said that they take contact you. According to the woman say for your man, you just say that she and her daughter and ended there. You don't know say that only her daughter. Now when you call you confident say na her daughter na dey there. Now you got to carry the girl put for your car. He say as you dey go, you can't divert. The girl come ask you say why you divert? You can't say shh. Oh yeah, open it. If you talk, cause they like threaten her, say the girl can't shake. So now you can't grape the girl for inside bush. So not we no do one. You knock am. So after then, go carry the girl, put for car. So if you tell your mama, I will not finish. So now the girl reach as the girl not really talk. Period, not come. According to the way she did explain to me that morning before she come the talk for TikTok live this afternoon. He say he Pikin not come see period again. He say because Pikin only see period finish before you grape a Pikin. I can say, for Europe, I don't will lie you. I was angry. But at the time I can say no, I need to diverse. Because I need to hear from this side, make I hear from the other side before we go know how to judge the matter. That's why when the woman they explain today and you not did there, matter not let me really talk. I can say okay. You can tell me say you don't work, so you close by 7. Make all add 1 hour journal. I make me put my own live stream for 8 p.m. So my brother, before the woman go use another TikTok content join us, how you know reach for that game matter?
I thank all of you now.
You do well.
Thank everybody. You know, say this matter, when the
Yes.
matter of the explanation is there, I don't want to talk. Because say, me and a person will be say, I know they get time, and they go work. If they still come back for what they do Thursday, I be also like, they get me so. Then they thought the matters is then. Because I don't want you to talk. Because that woman so, not know what they do. If that man know what they do,
Sit down in the camera. Go for the phone. Sorry, brother.
if that woman know what they do, you know they can't laugh or can't talk, can't social media can't talk about her daughter. Them. Because me,
Yeah.
I don't want to damage that girl image. They get me so. That's why when they offer come say, I mean get the back. Affected the same what they do, but I can't later look and say, okay, me I go do the DNA. Wait till they get. If mama you tell me say, wait till they get talk. I say okay, no problem. Because I don't want you to talk anything. I don't want damage to get image for the city when they get there. Well, as you see me so, if you not find my trouble, I know we'll find the trouble. Right from Nigeria. This matters why as it happen.
Why tell fake conversation kill loud?
I be off my house now. But I
About
don't see.
5 minutes.
Okay.
And this matter happen. One day, and they drive, they come. I'll mention some people, but I don't mention some people. They get why.
No, I beg for this one. You will mention people name because it don't come rob you now. So you need to still talk their names so that we go dey call all of them one by one. This is not the time to cover up because if you cover up at the end of the day, all of us will saga you, will blame you. That's the truth. So you need to do am. Sharon, bring the comment section back. Everybody is permitted to comment what they want to comment.
No, if I beg, make the restrict some kind words, I beg.
And they
I'll
drive, they
make a night
come.
go on.
TikTok will fence am, leave am.
See,
TikTok will fence am.
wait. No game.
I dey hear
No
you.
game.
I dey hear you.
Yes, I dey talk. So if my lad dey talk, if I dey laugh for a daughter head, make they go carry ayala or any juju. Me a daughter, make we come swear.
Okay.
Man, they get me.
Yes.
I dey drive, they come one day. I can't see this girl. This girl they call Liberty for corner. Liberty the person for corner. I can't go assist. I don't see that. I drive.
Moderator, write am down. Liberty, write am down, moderator.
Okay,
I don't want
Liberty.
forget. I don't want forget anything for this thing at all because
Okay.
this is a very
You get me?
sensitive matter.
Yes, sir.
Will they hear
I
you?
can't drive past. I see, I don't see them. The girl, the gift so he see me. The top they see me. I can't pass. Then after 2 days, she can't call me. See me, I can't carry her. She go back looking for this marker store. She go back looking for the marker store. I can't carry her. Go out. You see, mama see me. I can't carry her. I can't give me 10 euro. I can't come out. After 3 days of it, now she call me again. Say, brother Senator, I want to see you. Come carry me, see where I dey. He can't dey. He get one man wey dey call cameraman for this house so. He can't dey. He Pikin house. He can't come down.
Yeah.
He can't come down.
Yes.
Cause in the outside. Now they hear me.
Will they hear you? Continue. Not they count words. Will they hear you?
I can't go carry her. I say I carry her. Now she come dey tell me say I see that day with Liberty. Say they date Liberty. Say me and Liberty they get issue. I go ask her what happen. He say Belle say Liberty. Tell mama say you want the data. Yeah, mama they get issue. They call the quarrel for the market store. And market store now for tell us you want date the gift so. Mama will call with liberty, say no, you know, if you date his daughter, can't talk like that. Before the liberty, tell mama say he want to date his daughter. If I dey lie, me mama dey talk. Liberty come back. No, the mama so want do a junior baby birthday. Liberty come back carton of beer and malt, give him. Mama can't do birthday.
Not bad yet.
Then the bad beer give him mama, me mama to do the junior sister birthday a month. After the birthday not finish, like what tell mama say he like his daughter.
After that bad beer and malt. After that bad beer and malt. For a junior Pikin. Now after that they come tell say like his junior Pikin.
Yeah.
Then
mama come say no, enough he date his daughter this and that they come quarrel put. This and that quarrel. Now the gift and the liberty they call the get issue misunderstanding.
Yeah. Yes.
She can't call me after she don't tell me. She called me as she called me. She tell me say see what they happen between and liberty. Now it's okay. What will happen? Continue the message. The message and the right sweet message they give her maybe go say accept you. So she can't tell me say she called the liberty mama. Tell liberty mama say see what they go on between and his son. Then mama liberty call they tell liberty say make they settle the issue all those stuff. That time so now she call me, we just be friends though. We never have a date. They get me so.
Okay. Yes.
Then I call the tell us okay. Try anything, by anything will be say you fit to follow this boy. Talk all those stuff. Now there from there for the call the flow where she not call the identity for me. She got to tell me everything when she they do everything when they happen to around those stuff.
Wow.
Then after those arguments, liberty and mama, because the day, then she talk call me. As she call me, she tell me say he want to take 3 days. He get person, he get one man with the cameraman, he Pikin. You just see that mama when they go share call the talk. So this woman, Bini they say, ask him a vin, Oko ask him a vin. Because I just want to keep quiet before. You go meet that cameraman Pikin, so now they print paper, give this gift. You go give him mama. Say maybe the girl holiday for school or the girl for church. Like 2 days or 3 days, mama go sign am. The mama don't know what's in the paper. Pikin they go to sleep outside 3 days, 2 days. You don't know what's in the paper.
That time, so you never even reach 17 years.
See, bro,
because with 20 they tell me so now.
Wait.
Meaning never
Bro, wait. That age when they talk so now in Europe age. That not be Nigeria age. You dey get me so? That is Europe age, not be Nigeria age.
That and down your home, that and down, not be Nigeria age, now Europe.
Okay, but not vessel. With the ask
a question.
I know they ask a question.
See, now where for finish my tongue. Now where for finish my tongue.
Talk between you and the girl, pa, not be all.
Just they follow my lead.
No.
Make cut all of them.
Wait, then they don't say I carry the girl go the pan. See, that girl don't get more than 6 people before you finish my tongue.
You see,
not on that tongue.
Make me the cut all of them. I
Okay.
beg.
You dey tell me so. See, when they cut my tongue, I say they talk.
Investor no gain. I beg, Mona let her for person where they talk.
Or stammer. I understand you.
Because of man of guanana. No stammer no twin. So on our time they what get land.
No, you don't understand me, DJ.
Okay, see, he can't go print that paper. As he print that paper, he can't give my mama call sign. My mama don't know what it is paper. Mama just sign paper and give her.
Okay.
He can't go spend 2 days in the party. Then I can't get married when they go. Even that man, if she can't tell me say she go follow me, I suppose carry my woman go. I not carry her go. But also with my friend, I just want come close to her, follow the talk so that make she dey tell me everything when they are mad. You dey get me so? She come tell me say she go follow me go the marriage. I come tell her say no problem. I come buy gun for her. You say no get gun. I come buy shoe. I come buy bag for her. Make she dey follow me go. If your mama say if she come follow me go the marriage from Milan, if the mama say I dey lie, me dey call this girl wey dey call Sophia.
DJ Chris, why your network dey wave?
They don't go pass. Because they tell me about the liberty.
No, network dey.
Why your network dey wave?
You dey hear me?
Maybe for the year when network dey faint somewhere.
You dey
Network dey.
This is a very sensitive
You dey
matter.
hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
One man, my brother.
Now when we come go down with
Bless you.
now when we come go down.
Everyone will tell what I don't be like. But you better tell what.
Now see, he has a bad. He has a bad look now, Again now, what they are my lala, mado 20. He has a bad.
Okay. Continue. That's all, man.
He has a bad. No my lala, mado 20.
Continue.
The marriage you get enough Italy.
Pikin.
Okay.
Pikin.
Now when we go down marriage, now this girl tell me many things. Based on she don't fall in love with me. I never to stand that myself.
Okay.
Now it's you. Then now she gonna tell me say he get one boy.
Yes.
When they foreign. Now they go to carry him. If you want go carry full stop for a brother side. I don't want to make sure the boy name. You see, yeah. If your mama, if you call him, ask him. Now they go to carry if you want to carry full stop for a brother place. Now I call the carry they go, small time. Now I call can go house, you can't go for can. She go able sleep. The boy come video toto. Save her for phone. You get me? Yes. Now I ask say, what the video now? You say the boy don't delete video. Now when you see the video for inside the boy phone, now the boy call the beg and say me not verse. Now you take do a physics. She can go tell her friend when they go school say, see what this boy do. If you don't toto, our friend call the verse around. That one number 2, Liberty, yes. Vincent. Number 2.
Vincent. PA. Liberty Vincent. We're going there.
Yeah.
Bros, they use a knack, yeah?
They use knack. They let it talk. Hello, madam. Screenshot of
okay, knack. Now I'm knack. As he sleep, he can't video around. That one number 1. And he said that one so that one the first one even that one business so for Europe age that one able the fragrances when able day 16 said when for Europe age when day 16. You hear me so? Then now I call pass. Even when she date the Liberty, he didn't want Philippine guy. When they stay with the mama boyfriend, all of them they stay monolocale from one place.
Yes.
You get me? All of them stay the same place for the mama boyfriend place. They get one Philippine boy. It's that period though when they call a fuck for the mama Katina.
They did not come.
We call the naka for mama Katina.
Okay.
She dey tell me everything. Now they get me?
Yes.
Then this girl so even when all those things they go on, she go call me. That I they go walk in the morning, go call me. He go say mama boyfriend they disturb and want sleep with her, all those stuff.
Mama boyfriend one knock.
Mama boyfriend one knock.
We had more.
Mama boyfriend one knock and 4.
Nah, mama boyfriend one knock. I could say why now? Why your mama boyfriend they do like that? Yeah. He go say no.
Bros, this time you never see the data.
was
No.
not do anything.
Okay.
We all just
Okay.
talk. Did they get me?
Yes.
Now I call they go. He can't get one period, call me. He say one send money give you papa. We never the date to just to be friend. Now I say let me say why not tell mommy me send money give your papa? He say mama and papa they not they play all those stuff, they not they talk, they quarrel. Now I say I call okay.
That's high.
I will give you
Just
money. Me say give your papa because okay. Because he might not let anybody know because if you say the mama know, mama will quarrel with her. See, everybody want to watch this life so. Whether you buy your pikin for year or you buy your pikin for Nigeria, kind of come here.
Yes.
Try to be friendly with them.
Friendly, that's true.
Be friendly with them. Try to dey ask a question. No, they tell them say no follow this one, no follow this one. Try to tell them say, tell the pikin say, I also everything dey okay. I also they protect yourself. I don't say you don't get boyfriend. I also they protect yourself. You know, no what they talk about. Now try to dey ask your pikin. No, they tell am say na so people go do this, some people go do that one. No. I know the baba your pikin because the minute the baba your pikin will worse, it go spoil.
Yes.
Then me, I know the way I tell they ask a question. If I ask a question, they begin to tell me everything will be say she they do. I can't even ask her. Even the cameraman, I can't ask her say the way that one they play. I can't even ask her say. I also that one I want to sleep with you. You can't tell me say now once, 2 times, and no, not 2 times you don't sleep with her. I can't say
Jesus.
like seriously.
Easy.
I can't say like seriously. They talk and so. I can't say okay, no problem. Because they go. Now, he can't know this Osas so. This Osas. They want other boys. This one are 5 now, 5 people.
Yes, Osas. Write them down.
Like,
Yeah.
know this Osas. We call the date. As a question, I say, no, at this point, say you carry matter call people say, now so they do it like this, they do it like this. I will ask and say, you go date me. He say, you go date me. I ask and say, yes, we don't matter for year. But the real, it's in a 0 page. So that mean for quick give a document. Now my carry age go down. Then so I ask her. I consider you go date me, say you go date me. And they cannot go McDonald's. Even when our friend do birthday, she go call me, she dey disturb me almost every time. And they carry go McDonald's. Even when our friend do birthday, I carry they go McDonald's. One of our Nigerian friend, the girl is slim. Even time I can't run from her, he say too spoil.
Okay.
One quarter from her say too spoil. Then I can't ask us whether I go date me. Say yes, he go date me. Oh. You say I be good person, all those stuff. If you ask me money, I dey give her all those stuff. I say okay, oh, problem not there. And they get me.
Now I can't date.
Before they date. That time so, if not they date the Osa so, when they follow me. Because she knows say I get woman. She know the time I tell reach house, she know the time I tell they go work. She know they call me if I don't reach house. Before they do this Osas. If I go call me, I go carry them. The Osas go give me money, I'll drop them. The Osas consider the Nakan. Even when Osas see the Nakan, he consider get one Italo that they go school. When he consider the Nakan.
I won't call you for WhatsApp here.
Because he go down Italo consider the Nakan.
That's not
That one so when you go first quarter between him and the Italo so. That one consider get other Italo girlfriend. They can't even fight for school. Come on.
Continue.
Listen,
Now they get
Don't,
me.
Only
don't
one
scare.
girl.
This
Madam, wait first. Because my mama did this,
them
don't scare. Madam, wait.
because they
Then
go.
they explain what your daughter they do. Where you don't know since then. Then they explain. So you go the listing.
She don't know anything. Wait.
Wait first.
Even when she
Wait first. Investor no gay. This part with this one and the husband boyfriend be this one. This picture.
now this one she got the talk.
Wait first. Mona first screenshot am. Who wants screenshot am? Mona screenshot am and the boyfriend be this one. Carry on.
Now this one I got the talk say they disturb my one sleep with her. Now they get me.
So that make face show.
This girl, he go dey church, she go call me, they disturb my life. Because I come and say, the way go to the follow, he go sleep this one. I call they go drop body from her. Because all kind of people they see her. Even some people for this our city self, they not elderly men I talk so that they not can. Okay. When okay. That means I can't withdraw myself from her. But the mama they talk now say you go meet her say go to tell say now some of you carry pikin go inside bush go rape pikin give pikin belle. I send voice note give the girl. If mama dey there, if mama dey hear what they talk. If na lie they talk, me ask the pikin. I tell pikin say that pikin will be say they put life for her so say now so I can go inside bush go sleep and rape am. That pikin now go judge them. Now that pikin go kill them. Now that pikin now go put them for problem. That pikin when they go put life for her so pikin when they grow come never know anything. Okay, man, I look oh. Something don't happen since 3 years ago. Your pikin don't mention my name. After all, I don't go do DNA.
Objection, my lord.
For that mention my name.
My lord. There's no give objection.
Let's see.
Because I may be I beg. Because I get call for his house now. When you the call. That cameraman aspect, I want me correct himself. Cameraman, na two. Cameraman, son day. Cameraman, day. Which is that one of God Patakpa there? That one of my pa. Okay, na Pikin. You they talk that way, say cameraman. Pikin and still cameraman.
Pikin.
Even that Pikin and still cameraman. Now my all those one of my fratellos, now my brothers, the other be.
Now Pikin, now they for stop people. They give am, we say they go to give mama. When mama they send, they carry.
Okay.
When mama they send, when to the.
All those ones so almost age mate, not the be. All those ones still on school. Those ones.
They so. He go tell mama say they get holiday for school. Mama will carry paper. Mama will sign, or they get holiday for church, or they get where they go. If mama will read what in the paper. He go just sign am.
Okay, when you can't do now they can't say she get belle.
No, everyone when me devil do yours, I devil because as I told her, he say he go date me. As I say,
Okay.
the way she take date, she dey follow this one. I can't withdraw from her.
Okay.
This one so we dey talk about 3 years ago.
Yes. 2023.
Even when I hear say they say they get belle, I can't ask and say gift. They say you get belle. They say not get belle oh. No knowing that this girl dey tag get dough. If mama give am get dough, make the tag.
Okay.
Mama give am bros.
Because I see am when you know say the woman tag get dough, you know the way you go come pump his breast come out. If woman tag get dough, you go pump his breast come out. If the way go take stand, you know say yes, this person tag get dough.
But he tell you
If I
say
beg,
mama
I
dey give
fit
her the
talk.
dedo.
He don't talk finish. I fit talk. I beg.
No, he never finish.
You never talk finish.
Objection, my lord. Objection, my lord. Objection, my lord. My client here still have enough confession, my lord.
Okay.
I
But
don't finish start.
the questions I am asking your client, he has not even answered anyone. Because I ask him one question, say, what he can't trigger him? After all these people when they mention so, why did they not put him that is the father of that pregnancy?
No.
That is the
Okay, let me come to that.
Now DNA.
yeah. Because you don't count all of them.
After 3 years.
Yes.
When she not born, even the pikin they go 2 years.
Okay.
They call the talk say Namaka. The only thing for best me. All of these people swear, they'll go bring the person who talk say na me go take the Chris in Namaka. Now get the pikin. They'll bring and come out. Even one of those matter they go. And they put aside the marker. They did the marker side. They mean so. All of them don't go do DNA finish.
How many of them go do DNA? How many of them go do DNA?
I never know how many of them go do DNA.
But you sure love the don't do, bros.
How many of them go do DNA? They don't go do DNA finish.
Yes.
The girl man see who you want come. Even Maka go do DNA. All of them go do DNA. Maka go do
You know,
DNA.
they mess up their names. DJ Chris, thank you so much. Maka do DNA. Who again?
Wait, Maka do DNA.
Osas do DNA.
Osas, Glory Pikin, we carry for Nigeria.
He do
that
DNA.
one still do DNA. Yeah, they measure everything.
They still tell you about to go do DNA. They still tell you about to go do DNA.
I know you didn't answer my question.
Yeah, me so.
Okay. Before you call it short term. Before you call it short term.
Yeah. Last year, June. No, July. Now she called meet me. You know the reason why the verse, oh? You know the reason why the verse?
No.
Because they call tell Maka. As the woman call tell Maka say, now me. I still sleep with her. You hear me so?
Yes.
Maka, you call me. Maka don't explain to me. Maka, you call me for inside the scene. You call me for inside the scene. As I already J, you tell me say Pikin say I sleep with her. All those stuff. If Pikin call the talk say na so, na inside motor na for go sleep with her. If Pikin never talk say I rape her. If they deny a person, me I know person when they pull life for person head. If Pikin not talk that one say I rape on inside motor or I go. You say you only talk say I sleep with her inside motor. The reason why I not talk, I keep quiet because I want cover for that girl so that meaning not damage that girl image for this city. For that girl, you never was yours they need to come. They get me. That day come pass. I can't know they do DNA. Why they say they don't go do DNA for the court tell say that me get the Pikin. After I said that done, they call they worry me and that period I want go do introduction. This woman come my ass, come meet my woman, my girlfriend sister, come to them say, now so I do this, now so I do that. You see, you able to talk that say, you see what destroy my introduction. As I look and I say, okay, now I go do the DNA. Now they get me.
Carry on the year.
After 3 years old, let me say the thing you happen as it happen. Let me say they call me start to say the Pikin. This one, that one will say, mama call the talk say, even we have to go do DNA. Now Maka will carry me go that place, or Maka carry me go that place. I don't know what say they don't. I don't know what say they go plan for there.
Okay, the person way. Okay.
Now hospital now for do the DNA.
Now pharmacy, one pharmacy like that, for they call it Mukaleri pharmacy. You know be.
Now Italians have been a black there.
Now Italia. When they send me message for email, they tell me say I don't read them, I delete them. For email,
You get email for phone.
You get the email.
Listen, wetin my objection, my lord. Wetin my time dey talk here now. So when they go do the DNA, they follow Asti. They not do DNA for Asti. Asti na this.
Please, you know, concern. But since the boy don't talk, maybe DJ Chris come out in for this one first. You know,
Mama, wait, me talk.
No, this one not concern DJ Chris because now DJ Chris said.
Okay, madam, wait. Madam, if you want to talk, you go on your video. Because they said the platform where you go, you want video for that side. So if you want to talk, you want video.
See, Enoge. You dey say this woman so.
Enoge matter, they put respect now.
Enoge my person now. Enoge my person. I never see since I was born. I never rape any woman once. I never do it not good once.
Yeah.
Now they get me. I never do it not good once. I I never hurt anybody once. If I thought the woman not green, I'll leave her. If I thought the woman is for me,
let them tell you say if you read the DNA, may you delete am. Yeah.
For my email when I say call for me.
Where the email?
Okay.
He said they will be, they might.
Okay, send her for a pa.
I'll send her for her. I'll send her for her. I'll send her for you.
No, pa, we need to see where the right say after you read and finish delete am.
Okay.
No,
Yeah,
normal
yeah.
hospital will not say it.
Okay. Then,
Yes.
Who bring the connection come?
Namaka give me the connection.
The same person will
Yeah,
speak.
Yes, sir.
Now Tori know if I did before.
See, bro, I've been on top before. They see Maka, so me and not sleep with married woman. That guy they sleep with married woman.
Okay. You don't explain finish.
The result of the DNA, what you got talk?
I mean, listen.
Wait.
As I
You don't explain finish.
No, never say
No,
finish.
if I need to talk about DNA.
Okay,
me,
try
I
fast
for
there.
them.
Try fast
As I
there.
go.
Let the woman for explain too.
Yes, as I can't go. Because when you come to me, say me, I go. As I I'll go. As I can't go. They won't tell me. The woman come tell me say I go give them money for ticket. I go give them money for ticket. Me take go.
What are they give to power tap? Power tap is
I can't give
low.
my ticket. Oh, I give them money for ticket. Me take go. I will go meet them for there. I will see come on leave them for there. They will come do the test. They carry continue to rub all my mouth like this. They do the test. No me say my blood though. Na my mouth. The saliva na they collect. I can't fit come on leave them for that place.
Okay.
Then the DNA 2 weeks DNA result don't come out. 3 weeks DNA result not come out. Now I call the man who be say Maka give me but me I can't call say I don't understand. I never see DNA result. What did they happen? You say me not worry. The thing they delay they go send her for me. As they send her for me, as I look the DNA result. On Friday, now I thought to give my quotation the DNA result. As I see the DNA result,
How much you pay?
everything happened when I spent come be 400 and something euro.
Okay.
As I look the DNA result, everything here be 999. Only one person now come out. Now I say no. Everything is supposed to be 999. DNA result is supposed to come out for 98 point something.
No,
99.
Na 99.
No.
Na
99 the day, bros.
999 what?
I don't do DNA now. No.
Okay.
19.
Then-
If you na 98, meaning not be your own. Na 990 they come.
Okay, then I can't send the DNA result. Give the happy joy, the girl mama. I can't send and give the boyfriend. Say the DNA result don't come out. Oh, I don't even go to show my daughter oh, because I don't need trouble. Pikin na everybody oh. Me I don't they deny Pikin. I can't send the result. Give the boyfriend. They call look on. Boyfriend can say okay, since don't go like this. Problem not there. We'll try to settle the issue. I can say okay, no problem. I don't need peace. I don't need all those talky, all those stuff. Then they call me. The people call me say he want see me. I can say okay, no problem. We can't book date and time when we take meet. And I'm not castle they say carry me go. I tell her say okay, go back. I say no, say go my castle. I can't say okay, no problem. Even I say the mark dey pussy for can. They dey pussy na can sef. They will come go there oh. As we reach there, go dey talk. As we go dey talk, mama you dey talk, dey do this, you dey tell me many things. Say me will be say they go dey work for your ass. Na me go dey knock Pikin. No, I say mama no dey talk like that. My work and they go dey knock person not be the same. Now this one my work because I dey fix kitchen cabinet, I dey fix wardrobe, I dey fix bed. Anything me say concern us, how they do for this Europe for here. You dey talk. You talk one period me say I invite am say we dey go so birthday me I call carry am if she go. She go there talk am for there say me call the toast am say me toast you because I invite you say me come birthday, me come marriage. He can't tell me many things. Even Maka wife. And then Maka wife for talk and say, now me go take the Chris. Say now Maka not get the Pikin. Then they say, no say Maka because they not the Pikin. When the Pikin, they is that stuff for there. Now you only Maka now they that stuff for there. When they Maka they say for the shop. Only Maka now they that stuff for there. Now come they say no need to call the talk all these many talk. As far as I don't accept say the Pikin my Pikin. And I never go show my daughter. My daughter never confirm and say this DNA test, this DNA result, now original or na fake. And I never go confirm with my daughter. I come they say problem not there. The Pikin I accept and it should not there. I will take off the Pikin. I can't kneel down. Put my 2 legs. Help me. Can't kneel down. They beg this useless woman.
No cause I beg, no cause I. We know they welcome you.
Sam, they don't reach my shoes.
I beg, no cause I. They know they.
No cause.
No, you not feel insult. I don't beg. Sorry.
No insult.
Explain your own part. Then you calm down.
No problem.
Make the woman come on video explain your own. Explain your
No
own
problem.
part. Make the woman
I can't put my 2
come
legs.
explain your
I
own.
can't put my 2 knee for ground. They beg this woman and his boyfriend, even the Maka and the Maka wives, say me they don't verse. Say they go saga them for social media. I don't know, say this kind of thing will come solve. Now they get me.
Yes.
I beg this woman.
So now, let me can explain what you want to talk because a lot of my fans don't understand you. I swear to God. Wait till you they try and explain to us now. Because after the test, it can come out for 99.99 automatically.
Yes.
Now you get the Pikin. Now,
Yes.
since all this while, have you ever still called this woman? May you still talk to them like because Pikin already follow her come and you know now you get the Pikin. Have you
Now they
ever
pick my
started? You should know they pick your call.
Now a boyfriend, they pick my call.
The woman boyfriend.
Ebuka, his boyfriend, now they pick my call. Now I be this donkey, I be na don't start.
Yeah, okay.
Now be this don't start so. Now only one they pick my call.
All right. So if you can't pick your call, what did you call it? Tell you.
I call the tell her say, and they call her, she don't they pick my call. She call tell me say, you can't go my period, she call tell me say, may I call her. That I call the busy, they go work. I told her say I'll call her, not call her. After 4 days, if I call her, say happy joy. I for like more see more talk about this issue. Now they get me. Now I call they tell me say okay, problem not they call tell me date and time and day won't be so what they see. Now we take go the marker store. This is your marker store. So when we say you call the fuck married woman. When we say now they call me, you go call me. Me go carry the woman. You go carry the woman go buy McDonald's for her. You go follow the woman this near ass. You go drop the woman, come back. Even this marker so they try to even they toast my wife, toast my woman. This marker when they talk about so when wife they use this woman to talk. Got to follow for life today. This people
right.
so.
Now,
This marker so now all of us we cannot get the same meeting. If my meeting reach my tongue, I carry my meeting, give this guy.
Senator, I want me
This guy-
I want me you talk and small. Make
it start something for song.
Yes.
Okay, then
Lord, wait till my
Cut
Lord.
and short.
According to my
Cut and short.
my Lord,
Yes.
cut and short. Wait till happen for inside store when you cut a bad vehicle.
now what on so
You can't give vehicle to the mother of the girl. Everything.
now what on
And
so
take bad drink.
then
Because say-
after I don't beg them say me they not verse I will beg the marker beg everybody say I not get ample the left I come beg the woman beg the boyfriend they come tell me okay problem don't feel forgive once no problem then they come call me I come say I want come go carry person now I come tell marker say if they want come out anything when they need me they may give them as they want come out marker call me say the boyfriend this is Bukaso carry vehicle the woman happy joy carry Edward
We make a bad price, man.
una dey get me
Yeah.
They come out. Man can cut away because okay, no problem.
My lord.
Even till now,
My lord.
even till now,
Wait,
my money
you remember
70
black
euros.
guys?
70 euros see the marker. When I take care for taxi, when I tell them say make pay for the drink. These people drink my drink finish. They drink my drink finish. Go to saga me. They don't know say that Belle when they do that drink put. So you go put for say that Belle. When I don't beg you,
Okay.
I beg these people. Your Pikin, don't fuck all your people when they ask you. I was the last person when she know. See, happy joy. If you see not like they talk, go hospital. Doctor not the lie. Make the doctor see for your Pikin, Toto. For your Pikin, this thing. Woman won't be said don't born. Eh? If this thing, it never reach your daughter home.
All right. It's
Let's
okay.
me take a question like.
Stop
Bros,
like that.
bros, leave all those talk, I beg.
No, now 13 years I tell me say take decision for Nigeria. 13 years. What you tell me?
Okay,
If my man
so
not answer question now,
you see that 30 years, it's a...
decision for Nigeria. 13 years.
Okay.
If my man not answer question now.
Epa, we go ask bros question first.
Okay,
You know what?
If you get Pikin, you know you have your Pikin.
No, that one not gonna tell you. Only my car way.
No,
Don't let
wait.
the finish.
After she don't born, wait. After she don't born.
Wait first.
After she
Wait.
don't born.
Senator.
Objection.
No. Calm
You
down.
have to say me you wait.
Senator, wait.
Wait.
No, for now.
If you see me,
For now, not talk again. For now, wait. Make the woman talk. Calm down. I'll be talking for the past 30 minutes. Wait.
Okay, no problem.
Don't sky. Madam, don't sky.
Boss.
Open your video, mama.
Open your camera, madam. May show you how to put camera for there. May your boyfriend show you.
Don't see your phone. Okay, I'll press it. Okay.
Madam,
Bros, I hear you.
We not dey see you, mama.
yeah, continue and make you explain your own side of the story to us, madam. Clear your full camera away. Move for the see your face.
Bros, yeah, I know say I don't fair talk to you since. The only thing when I get to ask Senator here, and if you say yes, he say my daughter they come up for us for 3 days, they bring paper, I go sign her. And
Yes.
na Catholic church will they go. You see this matter, I not go end here. The father go there away. I need to go meet them, go inform them. Because Catholic church, you get where they do program. Say aside maybe your seat where person dey. The only thing where they do on Saturday, they call an oratorio. And they do. They'll go in the evening. They'll still come back. Maybe 2-3 hours. Now they do. So if I got me father, they make father, if father tomorrow I go come to clarify that one. Then drink. If senator fit swear say he buy drink for me, he pay for drink wey say me carry drink. If he give me drink for hand, if I bring paper for him, he go fit swear.
That be that one be the main issue now.
No, I don't fit tell you because all those things wey senator just dey talk.
We dey talk about, madam, wait first. Not dey provoke me again, I beg.
Na abroad we dey. Abi where he for do the thing? Where he for do am? If we go,
talk about your child, forget about drink.
sir, I don't fit tell you since. Okay, fine.
Ah,
When this thing happen, it happened 2023. Nice senator sleep with am November 26.
okay.
Now this Catholic church where would they go? Madrina where stand when she baptized. Now her father do birthday. Where they go? Now the girl come pick am for house. So where did they go? A car break down. Then her father come pick them for where that car for break down. They can't go to the restaurants. As the truth, they can't ask and say whether that's in the way they will feel call. Based on say, I dey call senator. Maybe if they go somewhere and maybe they go party, all those things will call senator. Now you take call senator. So he said when they go, senator come divide, he come ask her where they go. He said make you just be quiet. If I lie, he said make it quiet. Say now let 2 of the day here so make you also feel cooperate. He said na senator na force and pull his trouser. And which I say tell her say camera did that place, but we now feel say camera not there. But if they go control, he say yes. Say me they go control. Then he the date he made, which I know they are aware, but the mother they are aware. If they go down once, I know they are aware, but the boy mama they are aware. Say if they come their house. When the thing can happen, that was July 2024. Now we go hospital. The confirmer say now December 2023. Now she taking. So
wait. What did they do for November 26?
26 November
2023.
Yes. Then December 2023. Now she taking.
Of course, for July, they're supposed to not say now November taking or December. If
no,
we will not be doctor, you speak with woman.
No, when woman see a period. No, when woman see a period November, man meet her for November. And we supposed to understand what I talk. Now December, now when she's supposed to see a period December.
Now the December period, now they form Belle pa.
Yes.
I know now they talk so. They talk so when they go hospital, they can't realize say the thing happened for November last year. Now say
no. December,
hospital
confirm on hospital talk say see when she taking, because if woman get Belle and they go ask you say when you see your last messages.
Now me they tell you so. You don't understand me, madam. Now me they tell you so say on a norm, we will not be doctor. If woman tell us says maybe Belle dey for us, we go know say now maybe November 19 taking. We will know that one a normal thing. Now they try to speak to you.
Okay, so continue. When I come ask her, he said na Usas, because he was Usas day. That's okay. Then I call Usas. Usas say no problem. Then in mama request for Usas mama na request for DNA. That's okay, no problem. Because I which as a request, I can't decline. Say no, I no go green. Then later now the thing come and say okay, you know, now I make you say you no go green, make you do the DNA. I said no problem. Which now lawyer now I do that appointment. We go. When they come back, the constant say not be Usas. That was June 2025. Now I call her. She not even there where I dey. She did appointment. I just call her for phone say the result come and not be Usas. He said na senator. Now I say he said na senator. Now it's okay. That appointment where she did, make she just leave and make she come. As she just come, he said na senator. Not be only me one day there. So Maka can't call senator because me want to carry that baby for Maka wife, and because government signed as they give Maka wife contracts that they pay her wait till they carry that Pikin for good 1 year. Now they sign. I want to go carry that Pikin as I close from work. Maka just day. And Maka can't call senator. Say senator come. As he just come, Maka also fi call and say I see waiting my daughter talk. He say not be you, not be now we want start business. Now my daughter they talk say he get Pikin. I just sit down hold the Pikin. I just look am. You come begin the mention name. Now this one. Now you just mention people name. So Mark come and say no problem. Then Mark just call the way he measure. He say, he carry my daughter go Liberty House. My daughter tell her say, make you not tell me. I say, I just dey look am. So he may still call the other person. All of them just come. When they come, na senator come dey beg them, say na annoyance. If I lie, they listen to me. Say na annoyance, it measure their name. Now they come to say, person talk say na you. Why you come dey measure names? Now I say, so senator, now you go tell DJ Chris. Because DJ Chris say na 6 people my daughter measure. And with that 6 people, he say he get the record. Which I don't wait for him, make he play that record. You know, gree play am. Now I say, so now you, now you go measure names. He say, now we want start business. They know they deny Pikin for their family. If he reach court, he go tell government make carry the Pikin. They know they deny Pikin. Now dear Maka wife come tell and say, if you even reach court, you even get opinion as like, okay, you want tell government say carry the Pikin. Now what did that one ask him? He say, you no go do DNA. I no go do. No. So now they come the quarrel with and say, if this woman do you anything here now, she dey right. Because see the way you dey talk. So later, he come dey beg me. Senator come call me. After Marcus store, the next store, Senator dey listen. He call me, come dey beg me, say, I beg. You know, it's not December, you want to do in marriage. I beg, me, I not let people hear. Maybe just be between us. Now I can't say, okay. I can't laugh. Now I say, so you know what make people hear? Say no. I don't even talk to her. Then I can't wait senator. I can't wait her. They wait her. I can't say, senator no return up. Now I go meet her for house. He just dey come out for inside house. Now I say, senator, now you are come meet. Because I don't wait for you since. You no gree turn up. He say, may we go back, may we go talk. Now I say, no, this na your house. May we enter house, may we go talk. He say, no, may we come out. He say, you're not be in house. Now I say, but now yeah, I know you for. If you're not be your house, I don't know. But now yeah, me know you for, may we go. Now I go tell and say, senator, you see today, either police come meet me and you for here. As one, whether I do you know the person they I don't even know. So that one come tell me say, you come they ask her what happened, bros. He say nothing. Now I come tell the boss, say, see what happened. Now the boss come and say, no, senator not do well. Since senator, as me and that one they talk, next senator run. He just run, come out. As I pursue her, I don't feel catch her. And the boss come tell me, say, man, I just go do you know, go meet her. He did do you know. Now that day I know say he did do you know. Now I say no problem. Then after all those things, yet he not call me, he not come. I can't still wait. Then Ebuka can call her. He say, na January he go down because he document lost. Yeah, make her.
Power tap and give to the power tap is too low.
Now I say okay, no problem. Now I want tell her say, senator, me no go call you for January. Oh, he say no, bros, no, you no go call me. Me go do am. Then he can't book appointments. An appointment when he book, he can't see disturb her for school. I can't tell her say you change the appointment. He say no, you no go change. That he can't see disturb her for school. Then we go, we do the DNA. Now my email I put, senator not put email at the first time. When senator go pay for that, come back. Senator go change the email. May therefore not send her for me. I can't wait. 1 week, 2 weeks. Now I come meet Makawa. Now I say, whether senator don't come tell them or he don't tell them say the job come, and then they say no. On Saturday, on Friday 30th January, night the result come out. The senator come hide down for good 3 days. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. The Monday, now he can't talk. Senator even pass me on Saturday. At the go supermarket, I want to go buy something. He blow on pass. He not talk. Maga wife come ask and say, bros, when he go drop the for us, bros, that result never see come. He say no. Another one come say, if not so, He go tell my daughter make call them because she get their number. He come say they say make he wait, make he wait more. That was on Saturday. Then on Monday night he come tell Ebuka say the result don't come out. And be the father, which he not still tell me. Ebuka come call me, come tell me. I just dey laugh. I don't talk because before even that DNA, senator don't already know say na he get the pikin. And with my daughter get belle, senator go block and go dey ask her. Even senator use the mouth talk am. Say he go ask her. He say he even give her €100 for antenatal. Now dem make her wife come tell her say abroad na abroad we dey now. Antenatal they don't dey pay money now. Even if they go hospital they don't dey pay money. He can't weak for there. Now that one go say why you can't dey talk all those things? Wait till you know say not be true. You just dey talk all this one. So when the DNA come out, he not call me. You can't dey send Ebuka message to me. Now that one tell am say it not be your message as in send, consent. You call her. When senator call me say I not pick. That was last year now. Before I go meet her, after I go meet her for house. He can't call me, I not pick. He can't send record, go give my brother, say, if he do the DNA come, he go bring a come for me, make I swear. If he take advantage of my daughter. Now I tell her, okay, no problem. Me, I dey wait. I be the ones when senator call me where I not pick. Then, they wait complete 1 week. Now senator call me. Say, he can't come in the evening. Happy job, but dinner you day. I think Ebuka don't tell you. The result don't come and I may be the father. Now tell her say, I don't get what I want to talk to you for phone. If you want to tell me, you see me, you tell me. It's okay. He said when I saw Sunday, I say for market shop. You don't even ask me time. Now Sunday, now I see tell and say around 12. So when he come, he never even come call me. Market go open for 12. I be more just go bar. Now I say when I tell you before, why you not tell me say more go bar? Before no agree, now say time don't almost reach. No more talk and hear. Then he come they come. Me come say in with the marker they come. I don't know waiting for the come wait for jam the marker. Now we come enter, we come sit down. Now the result he don't he accept. Now he Pikin the result don't come out. He come they talk. Now tell and say only waiting I will tell you. You come they beg now say you go meet authority, go submit yourself to them. He say if you go prison whether me go like her. Now say so if you go prison whether I go like her. So if you the way you put my daughter so you like her. Now I say so now you be this atrocious person where you cause this thing for Asti, cause this confusion, cause all those things for Asti. Where be say you no gree talk. They drag people up and down. They drag me for social media. They drag my daughter. Even the thing even they affect her for her school. Now you just cause this evil. He say maybe no cause her more from Nigeria. No go try her. Now they come tell and say, Senator, now you do something. Now you see the raised voice. She fit do you anything. Oh. Then from there, now you put in knee for ground. I beg, make I forgive her. I beg. You can't hold mark her wife for life. Another one say, I beg. Now you shall might be. Now you shall might marry. Another man not the whole thing for lap. He can't remove his hand. He can't say, I beg. Make the help and beg me. Make me forgive her. Now I say, you still say, I don't forgive you like that. Now I say, no, I need to meet lawyer first. He say, make me forgive her. Now I say, I don't feel forgive you like this. May I meet lawyer? He say, he accept. Now say, he Pikin. Then after beg and beg and beg, he say, okay, he want to go meet his girlfriend for supermarket. She go buy something, he want to go carry her. Make them take something. Now tell us I don't need your drink. He did here, make it hear me. Now that I don't need your drink. He say make I carry something. Then when senator come out, now my guy put vacuum for grant. Now my guy now pay for vacuum. If na lie, senator they talk. say na he pay for vacuum. No problem. So na so the thing happen. Then ever since, senator not turn up, nothing. Even senator not even know this Pikin for face. Okay, DNA don't come out. Okay, may I see the Pikin? Where? Senator not, you not call. I think after 1 week or between weeks, come go bring Sato. Come Maka store. Make Sato, come help am, beg Maka, make Maka come beg me. Now Maka come tell Senator say, he come tell Sato say, Senator carry you come his store, make you come beg, make him help and go beg Happy Joy. Senator tell you ain't sleep with the girl. You know tell you say na inside car for inside bush for doing. Now Sato say Senator, now you still there here. You go just go hold for one corner. Oh. So now he come to say okay, he go carry people, join body, come my house, come beg me. Now man can tell and say, now go carry people wey be say Happy Joy go see, go break your head because the way DJ Chris narrate my Pikin for social media. Now man can tell and say, now go bring people wey go break, wey you go see, go break your head. So you can't still come again. You can't find Maka. If you want to tell Maka, say me they come beg Maka one day. Ever since till now, I know here for senator. Then I can't call senator. Say senator, since the way you dey do and so, you not sure nothing. Now tell and say you go live, go tell them say na you, na I do this thing. Not be Maka where they drag. Because now say you even they think about this Pikin. You go grow up tomorrow, they go use that item, they look and say, now Maka, as in you the father just day, you don't bring yourself out. So now you can't tell me say, no, you know if you go, you know be social media person. You now I say, me na social media person. Maka na social media person. When you can't say you know be social media person, you know if you come out. Now I tell her, say, no problem, we know the quarrel. That's why I think end the call. So all those are when they talk. Now so you can't go here. Now so you can't go here. No problem. Now you use the man talk and not be me tell her. Now you use the man talk. So for that one we say if they bring paper, I dey sign now. I don't know what it be. For that one, church go there well. If my daughter not go birthday, go restaurants, follow Italian people, go restaurants. All those one not go give me their name. The man will do the birthday, give me the name. Me I go give authority. When they ask of the name, they ask of the dates where they go that place. You won't ask the place, the restaurants where they go.
I beg, madam, you don't reach. Una what they talk, say me we see the daughter. If una write am again, I'll tell my manager to make the block all of una. If na your Pikin, if you go let you bring your Pikin come this kind media space, you want to destroy your Pikin life past the way it be. If una write that thing again, I will tell my manager to make you the block all of una when they write that thing.
But the Pikin not come video, no.
I will never allow that child to come here. So don't write that nonsense here and say, we will see the data. Wait till I know what we do. If una secret the leak, una go hide. No, una go dey fake account. I mean why? But if una see person, you why go hey.
If I will got the ask if everything.
No, auntie, I beg. No, for that my daughter, oh no. Because even she dey go therapist for school now. She changed her school because of this thing. This school she dey go to a new one now. She dey go therapist and then they will still give her paper for that school now. We want to go give her because of all those things.
Madam, wait. Before anybody go talking, DJ Chris, you get what you want to talk.
I want you to ask Happy Joy some small question.
No,
Because
DJ Chris, wait. DJ Chris, Daniel. Before you go ask Happy Joy something, you go take this matter are between Senator and Happy Joy. You be Senator friend, you that fine.
we know
Before you go
because
ask
Now the sensitivity
Yes.
here we deal. Now your little
Yes.
question now once can become me. I don't since how many days now never rest. When I tell the worker for this issue. With all those the marker when they talk so I don't talk with the marker brother. I don't talk with even the what is they call that boy? What's in the program? So. No, brother one, Ali Party,
Ipa.
brother.
Ipa.
Liberty. Me and Liberty see on Sunday. Me and Liberty see on Sunday. Then me and Liberty talk. I want you to have this woman question.
No, bros,
Then
no, if you answer question now, fair wait a bit.
Ian oh, not be you tell me what I'll do. I beg. I beg. Me
Okay, what make her?
look to talk.
You need to
My talk.
you need to request come and live stream.
I may
Not
break
the
down.
accept WhatsApp call.
Let me bring the guy. If not, maybe the guy for never come
And
online.
tell your wife now because your wife this thing she say okay, then you need to call back. Maybe if I need your number, you call back. DJ La Mudiane, wait, DJ. I want to talk to Maka. Sorry, I say Maka, Senator.
Okay, Senator come.
Good. Madam, happy joy.
Hear you, sir.
Maybe you take come on video too. My fans go they ask you question, and me go finalize everything. In I will starting from you. In I will they begin they bring people up. If you not get any question, when I want they ask these two people, when they ask them.
Okay.
If all of them don't talk, me I can finalize everything.
DJ, sorry, Senator. So you know say according to you, the girl they check money on your they go. Wetin come make you still ask her out to date you?
Because now she got to disturb me. You get me so. Even wetin she still dey do because she say that she dey do tailor. I been a fashion designer for school. Ask your man. Your man never ask her so give her money make take buy those color pet when I tell her do this thing. I don't spend money for her. I don't even give her money make take send give you papa. You get me so. I buy am clothes. Can I go McDonald's? You get me?
So bros, now because of those color paint and McDonald's make you come conclude say you go date her.
No, see me I tell you one thing. You know, say if you ask for my heart, if you say no want, you not go disturb her. You leave her. I ask her out. You tell me say okay, no problem.
Good day, please. Can I talk? Yeah. Oh.
Yes, counselor, you can talk.
Yes, you can talk.
Mr. Senator, I just want to ask you a question. Did you know her age before you say you did you know her age?
She told me, she told me say, in 18 years plus.
Okay, I beg before my counselor will continue. Madam, how old is your daughter?
My daughter na 17 years when Senator do am. Senator come my daughter 17 years birthday.
Now I Europe age.
Now your age or
My daughter
Now-
was born 2006.
2006. That means
2005.
Ishana, you born, huh?
I tell you, our
Now you born people for me.
Wait, our friend. When would they play? When would they talk? Our
Senator.
friend tell me say, she take 3 months. That's not our friend.
Senator,
You want-
person wey born pikin dey tell you say see here wey born
You know one
pikin.
thing? Thank God say I don't know where you did before for Benin. So I think I need to call her father, then go meet your people there. They are best thing what you do for Nigeria, where they take born now you be age. They go bring and come.
Madam.
Make people see.
All right,
Madam,
madam,
wait.
Counselor, you cannot continue.
Even if she was
No, they
25,
continue.
even if she was 25 in Nigeria,
My first dey ask you question.
in
Never-
Italian law, she is underage. Because
She never told me once that she's 17.
Because
I can't lie about that.
you cannot go to court and say, Judge, in Nigeria she's 25 because you can't prove it.
No, excuse me. If somebody asks you for a date, will the person ask you, how old are you?
Of course. Because seeing that you will know a minor from a look of you will know a minor
Who's
and
a
a
man?
grown
You
adult.
go to Nigeria today. There's no man there.
Damn. What you know what? I swear to God, madam, I don't know why this man not dey jail. Madam, you have failed as a woman. Because first of all, this guy should not be here talking about if he's the dad or not.
Wait, listen to me.
He
When
should be
I was
behind
wait,
bars.
when I was with her, she never told me she was a man.
From the moment this girl came home that night saying she was molested, with or without her consent, she is a minor, which the law says from anybody
If
below
they bring
18
to
years
do act
cannot
for the
be.
girl to swear, will you be there? Will you swear with her? Will you swear with her?
Okay, no, I'm talking to the mom now, sir. I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to the mom. Madam, that night you should have taken her. No,
Wait, so you know they talk to you. Maybe you let this place. You know they talk to you. You're supposed to dey shame for yourself.
You should be ashamed of yourself.
I know because she wait. You take your first step. Now people will carry the go. You take up her. What is the matter of your daughter? You take your first step. You take your first step.
I bet which phone they
I know
ring,
this
I
one
bet.
is too much. Jesus.
Which phone they ring?
You take your first
Which
step
phone they ring?
because you the people will carry the go. When the father.
What
When
is
the
your
father.
business?
You take your first step.
What will be your business, please?
You have no right to molest her, even if she has no father or
Make your
not.
pet talk to
Okay,
you
please be
first.
quiet. You should be ashamed of yourself.
Wow.
How dare you? You are not even 28. Even if she's 18. Let's assume she's 18. Are you supposed to be dating such a young girl? Madam, if you not put this man for jail, this child will grow up someday and blame you. Go and mark my word. Go and open this case. You should be apologetic. Okay, do everything and apologize. You have messed up.
Hey, so you just supposed to apologize.
You have
Not
no
be
right,
victory
for
talk.
God's sake.
I did that. I apologized to the mother. But the mother said,
Pikin wey you not know. Pikin wey you never buy pass for. You go use and they swear for me. Pikin wey you never buy pass for. You go use and they swear for me.
Oh,
did I know it's my daughter? Did I know it's my daughter?
Wait,
did I know?
wait,
What are you saying? Did I
Your
know?
daughter.
listen. You guys should listen. We are blaming this guy now.
Did I know?
I'm not in support of anything. I'm not in support of the guy or the mother. The mother failed. Everybody failed. Listen, even the DNA they did. We are about now to control the DNA. It's tomorrow we are going to control the DNA. Are you
DJ Priest. DJ Priest.
This
You see
DJ
this
Priest,
way it comes so. I
fire.
record that. I'm with that one comment for
DNA is a secondary matter.
Prince.
We are not talking of the child, the baby. We are talking of an underage child who was sexually assaulted.
He is very wrong.
The child is
He
not
was
even
very wrong.
important yet.
I'm not. Listen.
DJ
Even me
Priest,
myself.
where you for dinner, my brother?
The child is not important yet. We are talking of this girl was a minor.
Senator, you need to calm down first.
Even if
When
you
you
go
calm
to
down,
court,
Calm down.
even if you go to court and say, "Oh, Your Honor, she gave me a consent."
Everybody listen now. Everybody get
Don't
right.
be offended. Okay, don't be offended.
Everybody have right to badge you.
Yes.
Your Honor, to
Yes,
quiet.
don't be offended. It's just that the way the mother is taking the whole issue because
Because
they
the mother
told
people
Okay,
they
you
want
know,
request come up.
if you were in America or Canada for life, you will be registered as a sex offender for life. You
Yeah,
mean
I
you
know
cannot
that.
work? You cannot be around children.
wait, I
Life
know
would be
that.
a waste,
Okay?
okay?
See, the reason why I dated her because
No,
Don't say
no.
it.
Damian.
Oh God, not the open mouth again. Say you did
Well,
that
but
girl,
we are
like they
not-
vex me. It's a shame. Stop saying such nonsense word. You cannot
Please,
date the child.
okay,
Senator, calm
sorry
down.
for that. Sorry for that.
Okay. Where you go?
I've seen her from
Fair your way, calm down
Oga,
there.
please. This
Where
woman.
you were?
Oga, be
Oga,
careful. Watch. I
My
know
counselor.
even the
My
mother.
counselor.
Yes, sir.
My counselor. Just round up, may other person come
Okay,
up. We
so
put them one like this.
even the mother, ma'am,
Yes.
you got your own also. You have your own. This man molested the daughter, but you as a mom, you failed on your own part. Because hearing your daughter dated this at her age, ma'am, my sister. I don't know how it happened, but I think you lost track. You also need to go beg your daughter. You also have to retrace your step. And this should not be time of you talking about my guy or not my guy. Madam, please resign from every relationship. Go and take care of your daughter. Please, ma'am, you also failed your daughter. That was what Senator did. If she had no access to your child, there is no way he will be with your child at any time. The failure came from you. But Senator, also, you are just a child molester. Have that in mind.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, no.
Good evening.
I beg, Mr. Senator, my first start with this question. You got this Pikin 17 years birthday, yes or no?
I didn't know he was doing 70 years birthday. I didn't even know.
I beg, madam, because you talk one word, you say you call your Pikin 17 years old birthday for Italy.
Yes.
Okay.
It come at 17 years birthday when we done with the other one with the 1 year. Senator come the birthday.
That means Senator, they fully well say this Pikin at 17 years. Oh God, wait, I don't know give you Senator for, I don't know where you for be Senator. Madam, see, I get 15 years old daughter. I want to tell you something. You supposed use this man make example. Where be say, tomorrow they're gonna say get one single mother for Italy. One man great Pikin. See what he doing. You know, as the year the matter since you mean as moment you don't agree with my flag come on for my phone. May I come meet you for them? May I bet your neck?
You want bad people neck?
Because this is the vex me here. Oh, you get it to me for a year. You want go call father? You want go tell the father where they your church? May the father can't do this one. May they can't do this one. Then this one they walk out for street.
Not be you. Not be you. Not the mama they talk to.
No,
this one not supposed to even there yet. They could say he could follow you. They exchange words. See, if man, he sleep with your wife anyhow, the wife will go report. Now for police station, the wife go for neither for the judge. Not to talk or say your Pikin, he grape and finish. Pikin come follow and come on. Una the fuck up. Tomorrow they will all live video for una. Say now so they grape one single mother own because they no girls bands. The narrative go be tomorrow now say now because they no girls band, the papa supposed do this one. This will not be waiting, papa. Not be because I say not get papa or the papa not there with you. Now it's telling you day. This man not supposed to walk freely. Now be asking question not supposed for the talker.
Thank you. Alema, thank you. Berry talk. No time. Berry talk. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. The question that I want to ask this man, after this man knows that the DNA result, like everything, and he still come out here, wants to scatter the girl name. They say, I carry the girl go here, I carry the girl go here, liberty and who now then carry me go somewhere to go do there. What are you trying to say? Are you trying to say, like, I don't understand, like the way you are trying to say, you are trying to confuse us. And the other part, you were saying that how you tell even talker, how you tell even meet the girl, you say that one. But ma'am, what I want to say, your daughter never tell you everything finished for this matter. Now wait, I won't make you know. You go back house, you go talk to her as a girl. You will talk to her, you tell her and say, just try to reconcile. She go still tell you some truth. Maybe say she never see tell you, she see they hide down, they feel say maybe you go beat her or something like that. So you need to still find out all these things because there are some things that are still hidden. Maybe say this and this DJ Cruz where they talk for senator. DJ Cruz, I don't know who you be. No, they talk for this matter. Leave the guy we get the matter. Make him they talk. I don't know whether you be the guy mouthpiece. Leave the guy, make the guy dey talk. Come on your face for the camera. I take God beg you. I don't talk finish. You where they come dey, you say now because of you, now you can't come. I know say you don't ginger and you don't tell and say make he talk some things. No worry, will they come for you? We don't scream, no worry. Will they come for you? No worry. I don't talk my own finish. That's just
Listen. Listen,
DJ Chris don't get what he want talk for a year.
Me don't know why DJ Chris dey contribute. But you for wait.
Make it come up for there. They go send you.
If you like, make it go. If you like, make it not go.
I mean, DJ Chris one year more. Egbe warm pa. I saw some.
You want to use yourself today? Say the wrong matter will not concern. Me understand the Chris terrain. Your time you sit down there. At least you get your ass.
Pardon me, I felt talk to the mother. Mama, you as a mother, you fail. To me, you not get relationship with your daughter. For your daughter not to tell you like things when they go on.
Not verse. Now listen to me. Me, I don't be person they lie. My name so. For this city, when I did so, me not call, me not ask everybody for this city. If I be best, no be say. Yes. The person they molest or take a me they tell you. Me they tell you now. I don't be that kind of person. And they get me. Even me say everything what don't talk for years. If I dey lie, make the girl come out.
If I still one question when I tell you just now, say, may they not put the girl for video.
No, no, you for video.
You drama.
Come out.
Why they see them? They don't touch.
Calm down. Where you go? We come with Jane.
When my daughter born. Since that September when my daughter born. Now DJ Chris start to narrate my daughter for social media till now.
Madam, you
since 2024 till now. At least begin when they go school. When they just narrate for social media.
Bring people up.
Wait, I won't come up. Because I know they see the request that they come.
Baba, I did here.
Voilà, me must talk.
Okay, thank you. Though I come late to, now my woman I will tell me say things they go on here. Now I take come. So the one when you can't jam now, when you just can't jam for the few times I take on now. See, I don't know this guy before, but bros, I want to tell you one thing. I don't know this girl when you give Belle, the papa. But if I be the papa, I swear to God, do beg me. See, if I'm not here, even after my dad, bro. As you big so, bros, wait. As you big so, you will see men no, you don't go know bros. You will see Pikin. Well, as you big so, bros. You will see small Pikin. You don't go know her. You will carry your dollar. You will knock small Pikin. You will say you don't know say now on the edge. Bro, shut up. You will fuck up.
Bro, not that slow. Not
yeah, you will fuck up. You will fuck up. Quiet.
Don't bring my children. You don't bring her come out. Men are telling
me. Shut up. Oh, yeah, shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Close your mouth.
Bro,
you are disgrace.
You swear. You didn't sound.
Oh, yeah, shut up. You don't mad. Shut up. Come on here. I said shut up. You are disgrace. You are disgrace. Quiet. See, don't quiet. Just quiet. You are a disgrace to men. You are a disgrace. As dumb as you are, you see 17 years old. He tell you saying be 18. You believe. As you old, my brother, you are a disgrace. Mama, see ya. Again now. I'm gonna check her. Asakawe. Again, when I say Asakawe. Always because you don't care for this Pikin. Now you see idiots. Say chance. They go to your Pikin Belle. Again, I'm gonna check her because all one will see. God, I swear, you are here. You are a disgrace of men. You are a disgrace. And okay, you are Tori. Omune.
Where's it?
Era do Bobuya de. Era do Bobuya de.
No,
dey
Senator,
deny.
why is the baby?
Calm down.
Senator, so you know some BS something.
You dey be and meet and you dey. Na meet and you mute. Let
So
people
as
talk.
I was saying, Mama, you not get that close relationship with your daughter, because if you get that kind of close relationship with your daughter, all this kind of thing, if not dey happen, you be like say you neglect you just dey do your own, your pikin dey do your own. And bros, e dey obvious say you know say that girl na 70. E dey very very obvious. E be like when they ask you that question, say you don't know how many years e dey, you look your friend, maybe na your friend na tell you say make you talk, because e dey obvious say you know. And if say na my sister you do that kind of thing and you dey Nigeria, if I find you see you, I go chuku you, not be say mouth, because you purposely know wetin you do. You know say that pikin dey underage, and go take responsibility for that pikin, because the mama even come since 3 years ago. Now you dey bring matter we don suppose sort, since these bros don suppose dey chill for kirikiri. Now you come dey be like say mama still open the case, because the case never die. Open am, make these bros may go serve jail so that you go know it be, because they not spoil pikin for your eye. If now you born that pikin, I not feel say your day come like the way you dey. So put these bros for jail. Na very wicked and heartless man. If you see 10 years old pikin or 5 years old pikin, you go shook am for a kuntus. Now that one I come talk, mama. And secondly, go beg your daughter and try dey close to your daughter. Make she dey open up to you. Make she dey tell you things. Because if na pikin wey be like say they tell you things, all these things you suppose don't know. You suppose don't tell you from the beginning. I beg, try get close relationship with your daughter. Thank you, ma.
More than they give to 8,000 people. Why so do that? Where you give to me? I me camp. Where again? Not to let gist. When I say give me camp. A copy. Why you there?
Good evening, everyone.
Yeah. Good evening.
Yeah, this bro says, bro senator, you fuck up. True to God. You say that small girl, they vulnerable to they talk to you, draw you near body, they tell you, say, see where how they work, see where they go, see anywhere when they go. Then make you use opportunity, because the worst when you talk, say, this girl, they tell you everything, they tell you about your boyfriend, they don't count 5 boyfriend for you. You now come make a disease. You can't use, okay, for example, you don't already confirm, say this pikin are your own. You come life, you sit down life. The mother of your child, you they describe how body be. Even as old as you are, you just big rich like this. You don't sit down and think, say, these things when they talk, so now to destroy the mother of my child name. For example, say, now the girl not be even small pikin. You dey disappointed then. That's you just your appearance, your everything, the way you dey talk. Everybody go just know say this person not even enter primary school, enter class. You just dey talk. They talk wetin no even make sense. You even if to say na other mother, na the woman still blame. I don't even know what to do, because as the thing dey happen, the thing dey vex me for where I sit down. The thing they vex me for where me I sit down. They hear the way you did this this woman. Now so this one don't sleep with her. This one don't sleep with her. It don't make sense. It don't make sense, because if now other women you for that day prison. If now other mothers you for that go prison, because the thing just they vex me for down.
Sorry.
It don't make sense. It don't make sense at all. You lose guards.
Unmute
You do
yourself.
nonsense.
Senator,
Because this
please.
pikin they tell you
Mute
everything
yourself.
about
You don't
herself.
need the explanation. Ada, if you don't finish, maintenance
I
your
talk
talk.
to the I talk to the mother. And I beg the
Senator,
mother
mute.
to come
Senator,
to
mute. You don't do what you want to mute. Move talk. Turn your talk.
Oh my good evening. You see, this guy they talk say in date the girl. Oh guy, you get mad, they talk say you date 70 years old child. I mean, it's an underage. That makes a pedophile. You understand the meaning of pedophile? That be waiting you be. They need to register you as a sex offender anywhere you go, so that you go stay away from kids. Secondly, madam, you will know something about your child from the day you thought you don't go further, you don't go here, you don't go there. You don't go anywhere other than police station. The first day you heard about this stuff, your job now to go straight as a protective mother that